guys? Good chat. Welcome back to another live stream. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday, chat. Happy Wednesday. Market is moving crazy today, I would say. We got a nice overnight move, and now we also had a good retracement from the high. So, just looking at this price action right now, I'm not gonna be surprised if we all of a sudden trade all the way back down in here. And yeah, so far it's still all-time high. It's a bit rough to be shorting, right? Already made my money shorting this market earlier, so I'm not really very excited to trade today. Yeah, I had a good short pre-market. I shared it inside the Discord post trade. So yeah, it was a good trade for me, and for now I feel like yeah, it's very bullish, but you know, at the same time, I'm not gonna be surprised if we all of a sudden retrace all the way down dito sa closing print ng market from yesterday, which is gonna be all the way down here or 100 points away. But I can see this market potentially like bouncing from this level. If we don't bounce from this level, chances are we're gonna trade all the way back down in here, and also this equal low down here. And yeah, we're gonna see kung anong gagawin ng opening print ng market for the NQ. So far, it's still at all-time high. It's best to be long bias at this point, but anything can happen with this environment. And yeah, we just keep grinding higher, really. This could just be a retracement for all I know, but yeah, we're gonna find out. We also have the NWOG for this week. We don't know, baka Thursday and Friday, we move all the way back down dito sa 27,875, which is 500 points away. But yeah, chat, been crazy move pre-market. So, what about the ES? So ES is a lot more resistant in dropping down, I feel like, and mas less yung, I would say mas bearish si NQ compared to ES. So these are the levels that I'm watching. Like I said, we got 4 more minutes left before the market open. As far as the YM goes, with YM, I'm very bullish on the YM. I think we're gonna trade all the way up here. Just not sure if it is gonna happen today or not. Ang isa lang sa mga concern ko right now is, do you see this BPR right here? Right? Isa sa mga concern ko is, what if we wick all the way down and close below this? We got this BPR right here. Yan. This is a balanced price range. So if we reject, let's say, throughout the day from this level and close below here, mas mag-iingat ako when it comes to longing this. But as long as we're trading above this level, I feel like YM has a lot more potential sa upside. So if I'm being bullish on the day, I would say mas prefer ko na mag-long kay YM. Just like yesterday, right? Yesterday, I did long the YM. From here to here, and yeah, possible could be a continuation play for all I know. We get this from here to here. We got this 50% retracement. Possibly at market open we just rip higher, who knows. But yeah, so far mas favor ako with YM longs and bearish Nasdaq. So yeah, let's see, no? Let's see kung ano mangyari dito. We got this buy side liquidity as the final target for the YM, and yeah, could be one of those days na maybe I have to execute at 1 hour and just let it play out. But personally, since we're just 2 minutes away from market open, I'm just gonna wait at market open. And yeah, chat, that is it for me. If you're here, let me know in the chat so I can read some of your comments. All right, pop out chat. Who's here in the building with me? Hidden Bible Story. Shout out to you. What made you decide na magkaroon ka ng name na ganyan, Hidden Bible Story? Did you plan at some point na gumawa ng mga videos regarding dyan? Meraso Libaton, let's go chat. Yeah, let's go. Let's go chat. Let's go. Yeah. So if you're here, let me know. We got 22 people. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the like. You know what to do, chat. You know what to do. You know what to do, chat. Give it a like. Give it a subs. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Konti na lang, chat. But if I had to guess, chat, I would say we're gonna trade all the way down here. In terms of the regular trading hour gap as well, we got this gap from yesterday. Opening gap low. Let's see. We got this gap. Napakalayo ng gap which will open in the next 1 minute. Let's see. Moment of truth, chat. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Moment of truth. There you go. Market is open right now. Market is open right now, chat. Let's see what's gonna happen in here. Are we just gonna rip to the downside, or are we going to pump from here? So opening print so far is currently on the downside. We also have low resistance liquidity here. We got a lot of trend line liquidity up here. Yeah, let's see. Double bottom down here, and also yung end dog from here. So far aggressive sell-off. Let's just put it out here. Possibly reaching for 0.75 NWOG or regular trading hour gap for now. So YM is very bullish at the moment, just like what I have anticipated. Right. Ay, pucha, nawala. Good rejection so far. Yes, po, related survival. Nice. Nice. That's actually nice. I'm gonna check your YouTube. Go to channel. Gusto ko makita yung channel mo. I'm curious. Oh, wow. You got 9.5k subs. Nice. Tapos may mga AI ka. I'm gonna give you a subs and watch your channel. What made you decide to do that and when? Damn. It's crazy. Panoorin ko lahat ng mga video mo later. Alright. Market open, and then what happened? Market open, we got this trend liquidity up here. Same here. Right, we got a lot of liquidity pool. Could reverse for all I know. Maybe not. But we're gonna find out, chat. We're gonna find out. Okay, trading into this fair value gap. Gonna be interesting level from here, to be honest. Oh, bro. Okay, we're gonna watch this market. Feeling ko magda-dump siya from here even though unless we inverted this gap. For now, this is a bearish FVG in my eye. It's a bearish for value gap in my eyes for the meantime. Looks like we're gonna invert it. Wow, that was the manipulation before the pump. Oh. That was the manipulation before the pump, huh? I guess that was it. That was the manipulation before the pump. Pump it up. My God, na-disconnect ang aking personal account. That's crazy. Okay. Let's see. YM nag-i-start siya mag-pump. YM is starting to pump. I wonder if NQ is just gonna form its bottom here. Next 5 minutes candle is open. Was that a CISD, I guess? CISD ito, tas longs here. Then continuation. Sobrang bullish ni ES. I feel like mas maganda pa din though ang trade on YM if I'm gonna be bullish. What's good? What's good, Malik? What's good? How are you? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I like longs on YM. Just not sure how to engage for now. This could be a possible mitigation block, right? Closure above, tapos trade lower. To in here. NQ traded back down again in this level one more time. Opening. I feel like abot pa rin tayo dito sa 0.75 on NQ. We're still gonna drop down in my opinion. Just my humble opinion, chat. Not financial advice. We manipulated sa 15 but I feel like we're not yet done dito sa baba. I don't know, like, what do you think, chat? This good idea? 2 micros? Something like this? 2 micros? Just trading micros right now. 2 micros only. Two micros, chat. 2 micros. Not sure if this is good because then take time a short-term low before I shorted, but yeah, giving this a shot. If it didn't work out, then yeah, I'm just gonna chill. This is a bit like eto. The fact that we swept this low, that's a bit sketchy in my eyes. Sweep tayo ng low. So pwedeng mag-rally tayo higher. This is also our first 930 FBG. I wanted us to disrespect that. You know, this one. Yan, 930 FBG. Is this it? Yeah, this is the first 930 FBG. It's not good seeing YM dump from here. If YM is dumping, we might trade higher kay NQ. This trend is being switched kay NQ. So after this trade, mabe-break even ako. Kasi I'm up already on the day. Yeah, I would be break even ako sa Apex accounts. Ayan, ito. Currently, unrealized ako $90. Bro. Yeah, that is unfortunate. Gusto ko siyang makita mag-trade dito sa 75% nito. But we didn't, so a bit unfortunate right there. Especially inverting this now. We're likely gonna trade to the upside now. I'm cooked. If this works out in my favor, it's just gonna be luck in my opinion. Pero yeah, I like this protected high. But if we keep trading higher, likely chance is we trade in here. See this for value gap? That reaction right there is sketchy. Pero ang ayoko dito, if I'm bullish, I feel like this price action is so slow. I would not like it if nasa longs ako. Let's say I'm longs in here. Tapos walang speed right now to attack these highs at market open. I'm gonna be more leaning in the side of trailing aggressively. Kung bullish ako right now, I expect this market to move fast. That's what I'm leaning towards too. Say it's very slow right now. It's very slow sa upside. So I like us to trade all the way down here. Though we may not get that kasi nga nag-trade tayo in here, but I am more so of idea na itong regular trading hour gap, gusto kong ma-fill at least yung 75%, 0.75 area, yung upper quadrant, which is here, right? Ito, if we measure it, I want us to trade below this. Hindi pa binigay eh, konti na lang 28330. But yeah, so far, bullish PDRAs are being respected. Manipulations downside at 930 open. We inverted this level. And yeah, I'm about to get stopped for $130, I think, per account. Just trading micros for now. There you go. Stop out. I lost 150 right there, I believe. Yeah, 150. Up na lang ako ng $50 on the day. It was a good try. It was a good try, I would say. Definitely, I think what I could have done better is just short in here, stop in here. And if I see that rejection, magbe-break even ako early. That is one thing I could have improved. But yeah, this market is still all-time high in my opinion. Pero yeah, ito lang sana yung gusto ko. End dog or 75%. So short-term bearishness yung gusto ko makita. And also, nakikita ko yung YM was being strong, but all of a sudden, once we close above here, naging mas weaker yung YM, which was very unfortunate to see. So yeah, fortunate things happen. Naging mas malakas si NQ bigla after we manipulated into this 15-minute level. We also had like tawag dito, SMT with the ES. Kasi sa ES, we never traded into this 15-minute discount. It's more like 9:30 manipulate and then rally higher. Yeah, this was, if bullish ka, this was the good longs here. Just personally not fan of being bullish earlier. Nung nakikita ko nagpo-push yung YM higher. Yeah, this was, damn, that was solid. 142 points already. Anong magandang bank? Anything really. Doesn't matter what bank. Kung anong meron kang available, I guess. Yung iba, may PayPal sila, some have crypto, so it's up to you, really. Try na labi ko chat. All right. Let's see right here. So pa din tong longs kay YM. Has a good draws upside. Personally, I like this long sky YM. Oh. Three tiles of 15 minutes bearish FVG. First 15 minutes. Retracement. Oh. Sobrang crazy na market lately, no chat. Have you guys noticed? Like, pre-market is moving so much. What's good, Malik? G1, Rivian, W. I like that rejection up there. I like it. Meron ba tayong news? I don't think we have a news, right? Yeah, we don't have a news. Friday, non-farm payroll. I think I'm gonna be off stream tomorrow. I need some water, chat. Kuha ng tubig. What's good with Euro USD? Ooh. We're dumping. We're dumping, chat. Big wicks right now. What is going on? What is going on, bro? Big wicks at the moment. Nice reaction from this inversion and also 930 FVG of ES. Crazy. Yeah, bullish PD arrays are being respected right now. Just not moving fast to upside. Shout out to 37 people. 37 people in the chat. Shout out to you guys. Crazy market at the moment. Crazy market. I love the volatility, not gonna lie. Like you could capitalize in this market if you were just on the right side. Good dump into this inversion. Tas nag-wick lang siya and then traded higher again. Kind of crazy. How bullish levels are generally being respected. I like the fact na dito sa 5 minutes we rejected here because I haven't given up the idea yet that we might trade into this level. Take out maybe the London low. It's been a while since we took out any London low. Yeah, I think nung Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wait, ano ba ngayon? Is it Tuesday today? Monday. Wait, nasa yung London low kahapon? Yeah, this one. Monday, nag-take out tayo ng London low. Okay. I wonder if itong 5 minutes na to is gonna be respected on YM. 5 minutes FBG. This is a good idea. Problema dito sa stop na to is that ang problema sa stop na to is below 930 low. So I'm not gonna be surprised if we take out the 930 low first. Gre-trace lang tayo dito sa 1 hour FBG. As much as gusto kong i-short tong IFBG na to, I feel like it's not wise to be shorting this. Knowing na trade tayo sa all-time high. I feel like this inversion here is very aggressive for shorts. I don't think it's best to be shorting here immediately. But ito na kaya yung 930 low, I wonder. 930 low ni NQ, is it possible na ito na yun? That manipulation leg? Why did you enter sa pre-market? Yung trade ko kanina was this one. So based on time, based on macro, 7:50 to 10:10, 8:10. So ganito kasi ang rules when trading pre-market. When you're trading pre-market, nag-expect ka na ang New York session is going to chop. And nangyayari ang New York session chop is kapag may overnight session move na malaki. So when I saw this price action na we moved this much, nag-expect ako ng New York session is gonna be chop as fuck. So I'm expecting continuous price run na kung saan magkakaroon ng large price swing. So in my eye, mas weaker itong NQ earlier. And I was expecting us to trade into this level. So ito ang draw ko, right? And dito sa between this time, 7:50 to 10:10, naghahanap ako ng entry. Tapos ang mineasure ko is this wick. Itong 25% niya, yung 0.25. Tapos may fair value gap. Gusto kong makita yun na yung price, mag-respect siya dito. And when I saw that, this wick right here, sakto sa macro time, nag-expect ako na yung the last 10 minutes of that price run and the first 10 minutes of the next 1 hour candle is gonna continue to dump. So ang ginawa ko was just sell right here nung nag-retest yung market into this level and just put my stop above this level. Dito yan, 12 points, and I just hold it really. Tapos yeah, I took my 50 points and got out. Ang expectation ko pa was that itong level na to, this right here, to me is a breakaway gap because nag-trade tayo ng wick and then we had a continuous sell-off. So itong level na to was offered, right? Na-offer na tong sell side, tapos nag-dump, or na-offer to and then it got bought up, tapos nag-dump siya, leaving inefficiency. Nag-expect ako na magiging magiging breakaway gap, and also I don't want price to touch this 50%. So nung nakita ko to, hindi ako dito nag-enter. Tinitingnan ko muna, is there a possibility na itong 0.5% na to is marerespect with the fair value gap? When I saw that, nag-sell ako on this candle. Even though this candle looks bullish, I sold here, put my stop, tapos yeah. Then yeah, nagkumain na ako, and the next thing you know, market dumped way lower than I wanted to, and yeah. I hope I was, able to capitalize all this price run, pero kumuha ako ng 50 points because I'm about to get paid tomorrow sa isang prop firm. Actually, 2 prop firms tomorrow. I'm gonna get paid. Tapos 3 yung isa sa CFD. Are we bullish today, mate? Personally, I like us to trade down here, London session low potentially. Dito sa baba right here, I want to see price trade into this level. I'm just not sure if we're going to trade higher first into this level. In my opinion, if price trade all the way up into this fair value gap up here, for bullish, I'm not gonna expect all-time high. Kung bullish man today ang market, I think if the price move up to this level, that is the price run na gusto kong makita. I'm done for the day. If let's say mag-trade ang market all the way up here into this inefficiency sa 1 minute, if we trade here, wala na, I'm not interested in participating anymore, because if we're gonna trade sa all-time high, I can imagine it's gonna be slow grind EA. For now, as much as I wanted to be bullish, I don't like the fact that we left this level right here. We also have London lows, right? We haven't taken any London low from yesterday. This also psychological level. London low is 28,300, so I can imagine many people's stop loss are below this level. So for now, I'm open to the idea that we will trade into this level despite us, being very bullish in this market. As far as the YM goes, I'm bullish on the YM. For YM, I am bullish on the YM. I want to see YM trade into this 5285. Just not sure how to engage in this. I wanted to try this, pero ayun ko, nag-aalangan ako. Gusto kong try itong retest down here. Then have a wide stop. Like, let's say something like this. Wider stop and just target this. Not sure if this is the best play today. Okay. So chat, I want to see London low 28,300. I feel like it's pretty good target. Pretty good target in my opinion. Nice SMT above this level. Maybe a retest into this. $50 points for micros. Oh, I don't know. This goddamn YM is being bearish again. Like, my god, bro. Wow, what the fuck just happened on NQ? That, what the hell just happened on that wick? That was crazy wick. Wiki price action right now. Coming wicks. Yeah. Candle closure. Pretty aggressive closure right there. Being bought up again. Back to 9:30 open. Quite crazy. Wow. What a push back up. What a push back up after that dump. Not gonna be surprised if mag-trade tayo all the way up again. 9:30 is being respected 3 times now. BPR ni ES being respected. Big push back up. This in itself is a trade, right? If you're someone just looking for a base hit, yun yung mga level na gusto mong, if you want to be entering off a big price move like that, that was like 50 points now. One candle, 50 points. Pati yung, not gonna lie, chat, even this, tawag dito, itong crude oil is moving like crazy. God damn, bro. Grabe yung V-shape niya since 7 o'clock, oh. Yung rally niya from 7 was kind of crazy to me. We also left equal high, huh? how brutal it is if we go back to 100. Just like that. I feel like I'm willing to take a long dito sa level na to. Above this inversion. Stop here. Oh, let's see this. Pwede rin tong ma-invert. Problem is it's at a very premium level. Would be the trade. Pangit ng comparison ng NQ sa MNQ. Nagda-dump na muli si YM. Again? Bearish SMT? Bakit? Pareho lang siya may bearish and bullish SMT at the same time. I'm also waiting for NY to sip London before I buy. Yeah, I feel like London session today, 28,300 is pretty much a good psychological level to be targeting. Right, 28,300. Pero the structure suggests na we're just gonna keep trading higher. That's the only thing though. Structure is more of in the favor of bullishness today without having that deeper retracement. What's up, Doodle Capital? Good evening. Good evening, guys. Medyo chop fest yung 5. Not gonna lie. It seems like it has a good structure in terms of 1, but if you look at the 5, it's pretty dog shit. Pretty dog shit PA. Okay. Can you just move, Nasdaq? Move it. You just move it. God damn it. God damn it, bro. Grabe, wala talagang continuation tong ano. No continuation. Pag itong 4-hour ni GBP bukas, hindi siya na-respect. I think tomorrow, it would be a great Asia and London session for Forex. Depende kung paano mag-close tong 4-hour. Keeping an eye. Keeping an eye into that. Bro, may idea ka ng magandang broker for live account, CFD na may NAS, decent spread. I see market, I would say, yung raw. I see market. Pero di ko na-recommend talaga mag-live account. It's just not worth it. Unless may gusto kang patunayan, I don't think it's worth it to do live. Hindi siya scalable. Let's put it that way. Hindi scalable ang mag-trade ng live account. If you're making money with props and then rolling that over to live, then yeah, that's great. Rosella Blanca, good evening. Good evening, chat. Nakakuha ng payout ang kuya ko. Wow. He's from AUS. He said, thank you, brother mentor. Wala. Ang payout niya. I think 1 year na siya nagtitrade now. Nakatatlong payout na siya so far. Nagkaroon siya ng beginner's luck. Kuha siya ng 1-3 with Lucid. $8. Ating kumaligaw. Ooh. Ooh. Trading lower again, huh? Okay. Now you see this, chat? Do you see this? Swing high? Yung fourth candle, number 4th candle. If magkakaroon tayo ng continuation lower, yung 4th candle should just be trading above 25 or 50. Pag bumalik siya sa 75, it's not bearish anymore. Ano, breakout prop. Breakout prop for sure, number 1. Yun yung bet ko. Dude, wow, bro. Don't YM. Are you going to finally just trade higher? For the love of God, bro. Just trade higher. Like, this is just insane. YM, can you just do it, bro? Just do it. I-start na siya mag-push higher itong si YM. Itong Nasdaq, I feel like it's gonna start to dump from here. It's finally going to do it, chat. It's gonna do it. It's finally going to do it, I hope. I like the fact na, let's see, no? Tingnan natin tong setup na to, if this would carry out. Something like this, target this. Yeah, and London low, 2 micros only, nothing crazy, chat. Can always enter, re-enter. Can always re-enter if mali man ako dito. Ito yung stop ko above this wick high. Right, I am filled, chat. I am filled. Not looking good. Not good of a retracement, I would say. Dapat magstay siya below 0.5 and 0.25. If we trade all the way up 0.75, chances are this is just going to chop continuously. So yeah, giving this some time to work. 2 micros only. Nahambol, chat. Nahambol. Just trading micros now, not minis. De, pero kasi I can always pyramid into it if I see fit. 12300 London low here. 28300. 100 points. Do, 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 do. Grabe si YM, chat. It just traded way too much in this 5-minute FBG. Nag-hesitate ako on this, but I'm very bullish on YM until we take out these highs. Nag-hesitate lang ako into this 5-minute because I thought, you know, there's a chance na i-take out niya tong 930 low. But from what it looks like right now, based on this breakout, possible na mag-continue na to. I'm just gonna start trading higher. Meron din siyang 3 candle swing point formation here. Right? Based on 1 hour, this is the low. Nagstay siya between 0.5 and 0.75. So, pwede itong mag-rally in the next hour or so. I'm stuck in this MNQ, which is not good. Right. 0-2 na on the day. Actually, 1-2 sa mga Apex account ko on the day if I take an L here. 1-2 on the day. Very well respected pa rin itong 930 FBG and we're just ranging in this level. It's not the most ideal for sure. Especially after these rejections here. Might get stop out. Isa pa sa mga idea ko is that what happens if we trade first dito sa 1 hour for value gap before we dump? Right? 1 HFVG high. So ito sa mga kino-consider ko. 1 HFVG na pwede mangyari. If we reject from this 1 hour for value gap and start to form bearish structures, then in play pa din yung 28,300. Because I think maraming liquidity ang meron dito sa baba na to. In terms of liquidity wise, I think this is a lot. Itong London low. There's a lot of liquidity pool in here in my opinion. Chop again. Ben, nag-reject pa din tayo sa 0.25. Ay, 0.5. What a chop fast, bro. 48,473. Ito yung first 5-minute FVG as well in this price run. Very tricky. Very tricky, chat. Not gonna lie. This is very tricky. This needs to hold. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna go higher. Pag ito nag-invert sa 5 minutes, gonna go higher. Not looking good, chat. Not looking good. If it inverts a 5, magpi-flip ako ng bias. Then target this high. Wow, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped in here. Quite unfortunate. Bro. Bro. I'm gonna be down $100 on the day after this SLS hit. Yep. Very unfortunate. Hoy, di pa na-stop, boy pa, chat. Still alive, pero I don't think this is gonna work. Let's see, unless a miracle happen. We trade. Wow, chat. Wow, miracle is happening. Miracle is happening, chat. What's going on? That was a big wick right there. That was a big wick. Lagay ko na yung stop ko above this, or even just above this 5-minute FVG. A miracle! What's the biggest miracle right now is if we trade so 28,300. 28,300, that is gonna be sweet, chat. Hopefully it does work. I don't know. That was a big rejection. I may try and add here. Add ako ng 3 contracts. Mag-add ako here. There we go. Adding here. Let's see if we do get it. If this situation happened, I'm going to chat. If we have a fair value gap here, inverted this, tapos close above here, gonna trade dito sa buy side. Right? That was the idea, because this might just be a fake out sa downside. If we invert this, right? Kasi there's no reason for this market to invert unless magte-trade siya higher. This is how I think about it. There's no reason sa market na mag-trade siya above this for value gap unless it wants to seek the buy side after that dump. Kasi this could just be a fake out for those, or baka early longs, they got swept. Good evening, Kali. Good evening, Cable Cap. Wait. Tanggalin ko muna to. I'm not willing to... Di ako willing mag-add for now. Because, yeah, I'm seeing it both ways. If we invert this, I might just take the long here. From what it looks like, kung mag-invert tayo. I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna take a long stop below this wick low. Right. Cut ko na to. Let's buy this. Sell below here. 5 contracts tayo here. I guess dapat buy na immediately here. Yeah, that was buy already. That was the buy signal already. Here, this inversion, that was the buy signal immediately. But I'm gonna take this risk. I'm gonna take this risk, chat. Hopefully ma-feel ako. Wait. Hopefully it wicks me out. Technically, ito, buy na dapat to eh. This is a buy signal already. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, there's no reason for this market to invert this level unless we're gonna seek the buy side. Pina-front run ko yung 5 minutes inversion. After that huge wick, yeah, that tells me a lot. This is very unfortunate. Hindi ako mag-feel, chat. God damn, bro. God damn it, bro. No way. Oh, bro, no. Tangina, bad trip. Dapat naglong na ako here. That was the inversion confirmation. Should have long in here already, chat. Could have potentially add somewhere here. Pero dito it's already at a much premium level. That sucked, chat. That sucked. Bro, that sucked, man. Could have taken a long here, would have been up 30 points already if I just did that. Size down, longs. Damn, bro. The good thing is, nag-cut ako dun. I was ready to cut that and change my mind. Na-recognize ko yung yung reversal on the buy side. So on the next move, after ma-fill out ng plane sa apex, you just do nothing. You wait. You wait. They will give your payout. Pucha. I don't think it's gonna retrace. Sa totoo lang. I don't think it's gonna retrace anymore. Malapit na sa all-time high itong ES. Look at how strong ES right now. This is actually freaking crazy. Tingnan nyo gaano kalakas tong ES. Lahat ng bullish arrays ni ES are well treated. Wow, bro. All-time high on the ES. Very strong right now. Yeah, I could not think of anything. Okay. Wait lang chat. Kailangan kong isipin. Naiwan na ako sa move. If I was long in here, probably break even now right now. I don't like what I'm seeing na nag-i-stall siya into this level, in this BPR in here. I don't like that. Kung nakapag-long ako in here, more likely move ko yung stop ko break even after seeing this stall. Ang next na iniisip ko is, are we going to create a 5-minute FVG here? Tapos magiging breakaway gap. That is what I'm thinking right now. Kasi if mag-create tayo ng 5-minute FVG and this will become a breakaway gap, dapat hindi na tayo mag-trade below this, right? This is gonna be 5 minutes FVG in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Tapos we already filled the lower time frame imbalance. They should start having speed sa upside. They should have speed.
Bakit may itsura mo sa ano?
Bakit? Bakit daw ganito itsura ko, chat? Because I'm strong! I'm strong right now, chat. Alright, yeah, I am more so of idea na ayoko na siyang makitang mag-trade dito sa 5-minute imbalance and just gonna speed up. Speed. Currently down, I think, 73 per account.
Kumain na to?
Kumain na yan.
Wow.
Down ako ng 73 per account. Gave back my $200, which is fine. In hindsight talaga, this was the best trade. The stop below this. Target this. Just. Quite annoying. Dapat magkaroon ng speed here. Speed. Nag-i-install ang YM right now. Kinda crazy how that works. NQ will move and YM is gonna stall. To chat. Nakita nyo ba? Wow, there you go. Yeah, I could have. Yeah, coulda, woulda, shoulda, right, chat? Sabi ko na eh. Sabi ko na eh, chat. This was the long plays right here. In here, tas target to. That was the best place, in my opinion. Masyado akong nag-demand na magre-retrace siya into this. I should have been ready. Kasi that dump, this dump here, looks to me like a fake out sa downside. I could have, you know, just close it out. Actually, kinlose ko siya, and I was trying to re-enter on the long side. Just did not work out. Did not work out, chat. Did not work out. Fortunately. Now what, right? Now what? Mas naglilin ako towards this for value gap. Tapos yung idea na we trade 2800, it would require a lot. Kailangan to see that 28,300, in my opinion, we should start seeking bearish structure again. It's hard to, dapat lahat ng levels na to, right? Lahat ng bullish arrays will get disrespected after nating mahit itong 1 hour for value gap. It should start trading lower first, tapos dito mag-enter instead of like trying to short here immediately. Kasi it could trade in here. Right now, sobrang strong ng bulls. This PA chat is good. Like, don't get me wrong. Even though I'm down on the day on this PA accounts, I still think itong PA na to is great. Even though I'm down on the day. Okay, chat. How are you? How are you treating this? How are you treating this PA so far? Green ba kayo? Red? How does that look like, chat? Binili mo akong damit?
Yes.
Patingin? Suot ko na ngayon sa stream. Dali. Kaya mo na.
Ice cream.
Kaya mo na. Crop top era na ako ngayon, chat. Nagpabili akong crop top. Sana ma-approve na ang payout ko with FTMO. Chat, I plan to give away $100 sa Discord if you guys react on this. I need 50 reacts and I'm gonna do a giveaway once nakuha ko ang payout ko with FTMO. Pasasalamat ko sa inyo yan, chat. If you are not yet joined in my Discord, just react fire. Papag-giveaway tayo ng $100! $100, chat.
I have mine too.
Shopping. Nauna na yung shopping, chat. Keep it simple, chat. Just plain t-shirt. Okay, we got black. Ano magkano to? It is $5.90. Boxy crop t-shirt. Okay, okay. Suit natin. Yes! Chat. Physic check. Bakit?
Wag black. Why niya suotin mo? Kasi black yung ano mo.
Hindi, titest ko nga lahat eh. Bakit? Ayaw nga, hindi kita nga yung crop top niya. Ito. Medium lang, medium. Parang hindi na crop top sa akin. Or di lang naka-pants. Or naka-black lang ako.
Try mo magtaas ng kamay.
Ayun nga. Wala pa akong 6-pack. Konti na lang, chat. Konti na lang. Okay na. Thank you. Don't have 6-pack yet, chat. Don't have 6-pack. Airy Sim? No. Boxy. It's called Boxy. Bago siya. Medium. Lagay natin tong medium. Medium. Damn, bro. I just missed that freaking trade. Kinda crazy. That happened, huh? That happened, huh? Very, very annoying. Kailan giveaway? I don't know. When I get my payout. Sige nga, taas mo yung kamay mo.
Boxy din.
Taas mo nga yung kamay mo. Buti ba yung sa'yo may ganito?
Ito babae to.
Gusto ko rin ganyan eh. Kailan kaya ma-approve ang aking PO? PO. Grabe, nakakalungkot na na-miss out ko yung trade na yon. Like, what the F? What the F, bro? Tingnan nyo si ES, it's at all-time high already. Freaking crazy. Form tayo ng SMT. What a cup and handle. Form tayo ng SMT at market open. We rip higher than... Whee! Yeah, it was a good PA, chat. Not going to complain. This PA is very good. Shorted twice. Felt like those are reasonable shorts. Tried to get in long, di ako na-fill. But it was a good PA. This is a good price action. I'll take it. I'll take it. Ano to? Mga support and resistance trader, ganito sila maglagay ng levels right now. Right? Breakout dito, they might be buying here. This is support, this is resistance. You might be buying here. It might work, it might not work. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. We got... Importanteng makita paano mag-close tong hourly candle. Dito mabe-base yung bias ko in the next hour. So far, just very slow. Oh, man.
Hello, baby.
Grabe, lalakas. The fuck? Solid tong mga nasa leaderboard ng FTMO. Like, this is just crazy. So, 400k account nila, they're up 67%, 260k profit. Ito, 125. Ito, 133. This is next level trading. I feel like you need to be risking a lot to make this. Solid, oh. Ito, umabot ng 600k yung account size niya. 10% gain is 61k. Grabe. Once you start looking at percentage sa account instead of the dollar amount, it will change your trading, especially when you're trading CFD prop. Pag nakafocus ka sa percentage. Oh man, it just chop. Like, what the hell? I feel like at this point we need some kind of news that will drive this market. Medyo annoying. Ito na na-miss ko yung move. Miss this. This was a good trade in my opinion. Yeah, this feels like an A+. A+ setup. Itong level na to. Unfortunate na hindi ako na-fail dito. I wish I did. I wasn't not perfect, chat. Yun yung problema when you wait for retracement. Ako kasi mahilig ako sa retracement. I'm not a breakout trader. Yun yung issue ko. Something I need to work with for sure. It's all-time high, no? Grabe. Not impossible. We're trading at all-time high, so not gonna be surprised if slow grind tayo ng like this. So all-time highs. Ano P&L nyo today? I'm down currently $70 per account sa mga tinrade ko this AM session. I'm overall up. Massive win on my other accounts. Ito lang yung mga tinrade ko, which are my Apex accounts. Tomorrow, no stream for me. Friday, I'm gonna be streaming NFP. But tomorrow, no stream. Gonna take a break.
Why?
Take a chill.
Why?
A day before NFP, chat. Hit the thumbs up, chat. I would appreciate if ilalike nyo yung stream. You got 30 people in here. Meron lang tayong 9 likes. Not acceptable, chat. Not acceptable. Damn, what happened in here? Why did you just chop around? You're by my side. Go baby, go baby, go baby, go. Ganda ng YM, grabe. YM is such a beautiful creature. Ganda nito. Sell side. 1 hour gap, 1 hour gap. Distribution. 50% here. Continuation. Sobrang ganda ng YM. Not gonna lie. I think we're gonna trade into this level. 50.035. It's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Nag-alangan lang ako dito because of this 930 low. I was anticipating us to trade 930 low first before tayo mag-trade higher. This would have been the good trade. Feeling ko hindi aabot to bukas, chat, ha? Ito ang prediction ko. Prediction on YM, chat. Hear me out. I don't think na aabot ng New York session ito. I think tomorrow, Asia ma-hit ito. Possibly not today. Pwedeng hindi ito ma-hit today. Pwedeng mag-chop lang tayo here. But Asia and London session, I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit this level. Not New York. I don't think we're gonna hit this during New York session. I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna attempt this, okay, chat? I'm gonna attempt this because I am who I am. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna risk 300 for this trade. If mag-retest tayo dito sa 0.5 ng wick na may fair value gap, even if we take out this high, willing to bet on this. Retracement into this level. Targetin tong high na to. You know. Here we go. What the fuck? What the YM? Are you crazy? Crazy. Magte-trade ka FOMC? We don't have FOMC. Ano yung FOMC chat? Go baby, go baby, go baby, go. Should start ripping higher from here. Ang ultimate draw for this. Kita niya na-close tayo above this level. Mas bullish na ako. Mas entertain ko ng all-time high rather than 28,300 or London low. I feel like this is a good bet. Kaya ako nainip lang ako. Oh, wait. Yeah, I still like this. Like that was a good bet, chat. Mukhang hindi ako ma-feel. Yeah. I think this is a good trade. Sweep tayo ng 30 seconds low. Nag-trade tayo outside a bit, but look at the next candle open. It was inside this 30 seconds up VG. Yeah, I feel like this could just trade now to this upside. Take this high. Kasi yung range dito is very choppy, right? I think this trade down close candle is the low of the swing low. And I'm trusting na hindi babalik ang market dito. Fortunately, I did not get fill one more time. But I like this idea na we trade all the way up dito sa 28,566, which is this 1 minute FVG. Up here. Ito, 1 minute FVG here. In my opinion, we can trade in here. That's possible retracement. Sayang, no? That would have been a 15 points move already. Kung na-feel ako doon. With 1 NQ. Kung na-feel ako dito, I would have taken a break-even trade already. Magbe-break even ako. Kung na-feel ako dito. Not going to force this na kasi nag-take na tayo ng high. Whenever you take a high, you could get that a much deeper retracement. So ako, to me, in my eyes, protect ko yung profit ko by breaking even at that point. Kung bullish pa to, it should start seeking higher now into this level. Dapat mag-start na siyang mag-trade higher from here and seek this level. Okay lang na mag-retray siya, right? Into this inefficiency. But dapat hindi siya mag-take ng so much time here. One more level na pwede mag-wick yung market is into this level here. Ayan na, chat. It's going.
Sana meron na lang.
Damn, bro. Oh, I wish I did. Kahit tingnan mo siya sa 15 seconds eh. Respected ng 15 seconds FVG. We open inside that. Kapag ganito na siya ka-chop, yung market, you need to drop at a much lower time frame. Ang iniiwasan lang is have a news event na you don't want to be on the wrong side of. Pero tradable naman sila eh. Pero kailangan mo mag-drop sa very, very low time frame. Let's see. If I feel ako sa YM chat, this will be my last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. This might take a while kung mag-work man siya.
Baka nandun sa ilalim na. Or nandun, baka nandun sa ilalim, baka nandun.
Feeling it, bro. Nice push. Break even ako dito. Chances are kung mag-work to, it's gonna take a while if we take out this high. So ayan, protect yung few 200 bucks. It's gonna take a while if this is going to work. And malapit na siya sa terminus. Nasa super premium area na tayo in my opinion. Sobrang premium na ng market na to. So after this high has been taken out, if walang continuous push higher doon, I'm not willing to be part of it. I might just re-enter dito kay NQ. Kikreate siya ng 15-minute gap here. Problema ko dito is sobrang ano na niya premium na niya Lapit na niya sa target. Might take a while. That was $100, 40 points from that entry. Could just take my $70 here para mag-start akong fresh. Or $100 bucks, you know, para break even ako on the day. Then just look for trades sa NQ. There you go. Break even ako right now, minus commissions. Break even minus commissions ako at the moment. Let's see. That's crazy na nag-trade siya dito sa 15-minute low. Hindi ko expect na mag-trade pa siya sa 15-minute lows, to be honest. Expect ko mag-rally na yun dito. So yung entry ko dito was this for value gap na may 0.5 wick level from this left side. That was the entry criteria on that one. Pero dapat this trade would take a while. It would be something like this. So you have to be willing to hold for that long. Excuse me. Kasi dapat hindi na siya mag-trade back into this. This 0.25. Kasi nag-trade na siya dito sa 5-minute FVG. Swap this low. So ideally, hindi na siya dapat mag-trade back into this. We could chop a lot in here. Pero ito ang good invalidation level in my opinion for this long setup. Kasi kung concern ko ang risk doon, I could have just I could have just sized down, I guess. Pares ako ng $200 instead of 300 since break even naman na. Is this good? Is this good, or are we going to revisit this? So makita mag-trade tayo dito to this level on this wick and then trade higher. Ito ba ang tinatawag na rejection block? Nag-dip tayo into a 15 minutes FBG. Expecting ako na aabot tayo dito. I just don't know how to engage like based on entry criteria model here. This is not good IFBG in my opinion kasi look how far the confirmation candle is. Sobrang layo. And the risk to reward here is not worth it. Kung ganitong setup, tas ito lang yung target mo, right? It's not worth it. So, I would say this is a good one as long as hindi tayo umabot dito. But yeah, yeah, bro. Ang bilis niya. It was super fast. Did YM did the same? No. YM did not do the same. So yeah, gaya ng sabi ko chat, right? Sabi ko pre-market or kanina, once we trade into this level, I'm no longer interested. I don't care if aabot to ng all-time high. I'm not interested in participating in this anymore. I tried mag-join somewhere in here, but that was just too fast for me. Ang bilis ng ano na yun, that swipe down into a 15 minutes key level. Sobrang bilis ng pangyayari that I did not have time to react. Yeah, in hindsight chat, ito ang pinaka the best in my opinion. This one, I could have just long here and trust the fact that we will trade here. This is the one I miss. Tapos potentially pyramiding into this level, adding into this position. Ito mahirapan ako mag-add somewhere here. Unless magte-trade ako ng seconds chart. Yeah, the price is so good. Like, not gonna lie. Gusto ko yung PA today. It's a problem of me not being able to perform. Pero overall, green naman ako on the week, so not gonna be complaining. Bilis oh. Minor inefficiencies getting filled, tapos reacting from those levels. 15 seconds. Anong itsura nito? Trade lower. 15 seconds FVG. 15 seconds. Then rally. Kung titingnan mo to, like, nag-sweep siya ng maraming liquidities. Manipulate lower into 15 minutes key level. Tapos, yeah, traded higher. Traded here. 15 seconds was killing it. Wow. Yeah, it was good. It was good PA, chat. Very good PA today. We could trade to all-time high, but at this point, I'm not interested in anymore. Nice wick into this 15 minutes level, then bam. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, chat. It was a good price action overall. I think today is W day. It's nice to see this price action for a while, this AM session. So yeah, currently down ako na break even on Apex account, but I'm up quite a lot on my other accounts. So down ako due to commissions, but yeah, really break even on today. I don't think I'm gonna be trading for the rest of the day. Nood na lang ang anime. Yeah, like I said, I'm not interested anymore after this 1 minute level was filled right here. This was the draw I'm looking for sa premium area ng price leg. So from this high to this level, I'm already fine. Taking profit here if I was long. Not going to expect all-time high. You already did trade all-time high kay ES. This one, yeah. This one could trade dito. Dito sa level na to. I removed my position because I think this is gonna take a while. Pero this is a valid trade. Just not interested anymore personally. But yeah, this is a trade idea, trade setup. Personally, not taking it anymore. So yeah, chat. Thank you, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for another, Friday. NFP, hindi ko sure kung magte-trade ako on stream or not, but I'll let you guys know. Not depende kung may energy ako wala, but yeah. GG chat, thank you for staying with me. Click the like, and yeah, talk to you guys later on Friday. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye.